Hello, my people. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Hope so una dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well. Una do well. My people, wetin dey go on? I see this video of Osaweme Zowege. The way we take dey talk for the video, she dey refer to Iyore and the ministry. Wetin dey go on? Na why for this life sha? Because I first watch one of the video for social media. I don't know wetin really happen between this lady with Iyore. She say many things about wetin dey go on, this one and that one. No, I just say maybe something dey wey happen between two of them. Now know say dem be friends, and this lady really fight for Iyore well during that time wey people dey fight Iyore no dey reply. Now she dey reply for Iyore. Me come surprise say wetin come dey happen wey dem come dey throw words. E get one video wey the lady do, wey Osaweme Zowege do, wey Iyore come, he say dem send am come give am, say but she no wan reply. She want make she first look the video before she go reply. No, many people even to come dey talk to, dey send message, dey give am say make she no just reply, make she no reply. Like this one now wey this lady do, so Osaweme Zowege, it's like there is something wrong, something dey for inside that salt and water ministry wey she know. Wey this for me, this one na my opinion, because wetin she talk, I lis ten a little because the video long. I no fit lis ten to everything. Be like say something dey wey she know well wey dem dey do, wey Osaweme Zowege no like, wey she dey try to avoid, but Iyore no know. That is for my own, because na wetin she talk na make me, because we never hear wetin dey happen for Iyore mouth, but na she just dey talk her own. She say she no come reply to Iyore, but na the doctor know say na get one person wey dey operate Iyore page, na doctor dey call am. My people, friends, I no know whether friendship even dey exist for abroad. I no know, because this lady Osaweme Zowege, she really fight for Iyore o. I no know wetin happen between two of them. I no come here come judge this one or judge the other one, but for my own, wetin happen, wetin no happen, they suppose to make peace, because the lady try well. If you say person try for person, she try well. She stand for Iyore that time, whether they be sister or whether they be from the same village or na because of the ministry wey they do, or I no know, but she really try. Anybody wey wan attack Iyore, she don come out, she go come face am. I know say maybe Iyore no send her, you know say some people dey, you no send her, e just like you, so you go just want make just fight that fight for you. I'll put the little video, mona watch am, because I no fit put all the video for here because e too long. So mona still lis ten to where she dey talk. I know say, but something dey because she dey cover am, but later maybe go burst. I no know, but I pray make dem make peace. One love, na bye bye.
Osaweme Zowege, ihon we but we aso ni egina up to that you gbogbo yam e la ho ye gbele lu pe ni ka up to today aye mo gbogbo yam bai, but igwe but egeni ga se over agwale dagbo egbe mi ya no sun iyo he, but osalobo ani ne mana gbon abohin eku, iye bohin eku almost to hunt here wa coca koni aye almost to hunt yan ime ti ne gbe me ya gbe ni gbe na no ime ti ne gbe me ya gbe na the last morning ni ya duweki aki ya fe ni me bo gwa imune ba fa imune ba bi Iyore wana we fo ba ya me o wa ya me ina ye wana esimi ariye koti ani lu wa ma o me wana ye me ye pesi yo o ri amegbe wana we ya de oke beri o wa ma o me mi ro pa Wa wo ba mama me no wa wo me. Eye zige koti yi. I pay yo. Jigo me na me. Ina ye pay by. Ina ye vigu me yo to by. Ina vigu me yo to igu me vana ina vio yo to. Ina ya konve story. Jabome. Emi ya no sunu. Imu wegbe. Beni ya weni ya we nezo mi nafo. Ina hewe. Beti go me. 1 cent ma iga me. Emi ya na ume obugbe. Bi ake sun ya weni to ti ko leta me miede. Wana wo me o wa ya fian. You guys will live to remember us we me gazo week. Bo ama we here say. O salobua o hin agume gu wave. De mata no. Onu salobua zoru enu wagbe. Bet David yata lo na ri o ya dere. Salobua no keke mo ke wo giason. No gbe ni gbe na me. E kokba ina blame we jore. Ai dove. Una debatun a ko me hian. Ai dove. Una debatun. Una ko me hian. Otun na do je esu itmato re. Ona do ya de yo won me. Ona ya manipulate we na take we matam. But to sawesi on your bagano. Because see we mo obstacle no we prayer life. Me a can our pretty. Ya mami chance na operate. Mo obstacle no ro we prayer life. Area high. But I leave you people in peace. But nema ya ni we make of we na. Oh na. I da je fie mo gbon. De ya sun la video we ya na sun. Ebo ya garema. Beni be come across on na. Area okeke o do atie me wo gwa. Sawe me gazo wege. Hey. Ederio. It la den ri pada me. Oja. Osaloba no vindicate mo wo giason. Times you have vindicate me. But when I say man I go I want that issue to be vindicated first. Ike do go I say man I go me gbini me video. Iyo no gele sunu ne. Ivanu ana we do ovi aka no pe na. Do me mata no. O me mata. Aha ka me no sene na ya ne. But okekere iya ye mi obalo yo. Iya ye mi pensi yo. Iya ye mi go ganjo. Iya ye mi go ganjo. Igare check be ni ga azeduna. Igare check ebo. E ri rock no erungwa gbae. Bet me. Erungwa gbae. Be ni na iri no sentiment me ya no wa o me. Erungwa gbae. Or see, next time you learn how to not to take side in issues. Zuze yeme be no sopo no yaye. Berio. Or continue beniana. Or get us people down. Zuze yeme be no suppose no yaye. Okono gaira, okono gai jue, okono gai miati. That is what make you do level. Do level nezo gege badimo. Neri brabe. O zuze yeme ni oke obe no yamio. Emi yanu wa ume niki. Mema oni tale nike because it is none of my business. It is none of my business. The nike ya, it is none of my business. No ba concern me we metano. Deni no we bo hi ko de Salobo we ni ka ofi ke bo. Be journey no we lele. No we na ami we just me 4,000 something at the end of the donor don. Because who bo hi could be innocent person. Ga no. Anybody mo yeru e me ni time awena. O ga wo ori no. O we bo hi ku. That is why that is what's taking place. Up to today, no my yero ibirino. No my yeri prayer life or ibirino. It is high time you sit down well. Admit so I'm winning when I know Salobo agi we say. Me watana. Obono obeme na ni metama wenano. Every day we collect or hosa no bono ni kawiri. Hosa no bono. They will take 1 million 10 million eranya mairi. Ni me bono we free na. Why ma be ko ba ya ni re prayer line ni ba? Why ma be dede ni re ba ba? You want to do it your way. Ave oru pa o gere ti ewe mi opa yan to boy. Et o ge seek opinion we mugu. When that thing is coming, atama we it's okay you will not take. Ti umi o temi nini. E de no we ladian. No we do imi am the time am ni do apologize ni bi salt and water ministry. E derio. Ina gele ladi. E bi eva no we uni o salobari wo jaba e mi obe take it or leave it. We mana se sote ya na e bo ama we hianse. It is not a me atie. We mana sote enen we no stand on your rights. Zero ijo no we kini. No we stand on your rights. Oh, I mean ya ni taloma we free of charge, you know. You will live to remember us women gazo wege. Emi me watamu we free na. You will live to remember us women gazo wege. E dead ave de day ya river. Abi here salt and water ministry. You know. When they want to tell you the truth, you will not accept. You will always accept when they say you did it right. You never accept the truth coming from anybody. What you did was very wrong. Let them call me and say, then I will accept my mistake. I will accept my mistake. Never to let that mistake take place again. I will accept it. But bani. Mana ladie live video where yore. No yo kwani were gbegbe ijo ise la gogo e boni tie nu we be lo ni. Jabome je. Go and beg your by one, and it is not a cause. I am telling you the truth. Nothing but the truth. Go and beg that innocent woman. Go and beg her. You let people manipulate you too much and go far by laying curse on people. Go and beg that woman. You will remember me. Go and stand on your live video. A live video will not you laugh any. A live video will not be time. Jabome. Let them also call the video and send it to that same woman. Ebonotiene was too hot. It was too hot. That swear was too hot. Go and apologize to that woman. Stand on your live video and apologize. Apologize to that woman. Cause you wrong on innocent woman, not to target with tornado. No marry no via ya will be no visible. That's all we have we wago one banner damn. Not on no masun na wosun. E ben me wag basen e be me yeri go no bia. E be me yemu go no bia. Ben me wag basen. Awo. E mi okpa no awa oni. Because mo not samo honi. Ibe yimi asebe de oje ga mo ebogbe bi yeke. E mo ebogbe. Forgive. Iyen wedges or wrong we. Wa boy masoso megbe. Wa that any mo keti ye mana. E fo me boy. Ah, if on I cricket now. Nite mo keti ye line no wa da me hoy. Dem ni tana deti buy. O we aga ho ba be ga va jula me botonedo. I stopped that woman. Ema bunoga riba. Hije, eriyo mekesia. Ije, mowe mi. But sebe no do yari ekba ya hi nu evo tornado. Oni okba dame buwe. Be laoji gewe. Jabo. Forgive. Eri benigi. Jabo. Everyone you offend na kokako. Ayi mi ya jori. If you too big about yourself too much. I beg you, because Emma Yebunu were offended. Just go your live video. Apologize to them. So that you have your freedom. Apologize to them. You're one of Paris. So that you have your freedom. Wawe, no. Beg no tie me at any. Will Sawe Megazo will go suppose no call you. I will not call you one day. And then we be pick you call me and the ogeleti me. For you to know where me know me or damn and subuloko. Where gonna when I can tie me. A 4 wearing your home, I be able to midnight at a picket. Or my little bagmona, or my muma ye kitty, who you bought the kitty, ye say. Nege do de. Mere dotia bonwe. I am not like the rest people out there. I can't come and tell you the truth. Nothing but the truth. Mere dotia bonwe bo wetie no eva 20 no eva be yori. I am too big for those nonsense. I only here to tell you the truth. What you need to know about emi no sunu. No na hamok be hamok ko guma ho sa we megazo wodi. Your shoemaker. Your shoemaker says boy. Come agmo come anywhere. Usawe megazo we can never be a member of a certain water. Emeni talona we buy nick belt yogeladi. Ona wo geta, bo you know etalo ni make body yogeladi. Ona kama, ona tawe ye matamo rokba. Ni make body yogeladi. Uno yata. Ni make body yogeladi. On ye na semeni ladian bunu. Ona si ni make body yogeladi anwa. No why you no why you no wadam here agno even no so no wagno e na sie wo genyeta no wetamok betamoko sawe megazo wegi ye makwew I will be the last person to drive sawe megazo wegi because you does not know what is going on in your salt and water ministry. That is why you does not know anything about your salt and water ministry. You are always there every evening, pray your prayer for people and go inside your house. What is going on in your salt and water ministry? You don't know it. Believe me, I say so to you. Oni ya hume, oni ya bognia me bana. Oni ya huria me ba. Oni ya heto huria me ba. Rudawe a ome so tove prayer liwe. Eri ya heto huria me ba. E ya conspire against ba. Na ya huria me ken. They think I am the bad person. Again you say, hey, live video on soon. Ebo. Imegita mo gwebe dene na. Ono days no ke 21 days ya vio bome ye e pichi dia ni yesige de no poko mota no kawe kioba. Ina de baboji. Ina o dazi no geke mo gebo giasun. Iga ka egwalu joro deme. Agiogo me mame. But imana ka gwalo deme. Lift me higher above my expectation. Emi uguga no wa ume. Elina be tama bakari diani yesige. Nenya ivyo boy yakari ameve na akara kwa wa ume. Ina eti jore bo hieku. Ovyo wa bo hieku. Wa mana gbina me hieku wa wojo ko tornado. Woje gbo efi han den lokpoko. Wo yarambo na mota no kawe keba. That is what I did 21 good days. Na wa mana gbina me. With a mevera no every passing day for 21 days. Ne wa mana gbina me. Wa yen go wa exist. Ebo. And I said it and I still standing here still repeating it again. Iya mana gbina me. Yen exist with tornado. That is the truth. Emini uno. Iya mana gbina me. Unfortunately I da mo fie je fie mo gbon enwo. Earlier the better. Say the truth, Yuri, and the truth shall set you free. Say the truth the way it is, and the truth shall set you free. Believe me. Believe me. Oh, shumekawe. Oh, turn a upside down the sort of water ministry na do aje wenyana. Sort of water ministry nebo ya very babebo beru ahugi. That doga agbogi atemi atie. You now have a group of WhatsApp ne wa manipulate me no sunuwa. Oni me. Wa re ahem o ma be prayer like wa onu wa gbe o wa gbe nu wa turn e ya sada wa gang up ya ku e here. What I wa ke group WhatsApp. Egeni ase we aji merebe here. Egeni na se. Ebe ya ni talema bayo. Egeni na se yore wa je merebe here. Wa je merebe here. Uwari wanera na eri but again gase me no ya gano kpo odo be me nano you will live to remember us when gazo wege ebo ama we can say hako oborok pa no eti ho na ro ime beta okpa okwo no we ne ehia yo all love labe oju hu eta okpa okwo no we ne ehia yo na mi mata no ro okian love labe oju hu eta ojo bi no dion ya zese yi no so no di amana tema tabe noje ebo ama we here say they are going to say the truth and they me yani u vakari nikau in return yes It returning. You understand even? Ama we can say. Akari yena ne. Akari yena we mi ya. Ama we can say. They are going to say the truth to you, Ijore. If they did not say the truth, obi ya no dio ya yas they say you okay ni abame. Obi ya no dio. Yas they say you me okay ni abame. Eve okay aga sunu wo gigio wa ni akiri. It's a promise before God. It's a karosa na ta bakari ni ka. Obi ya no dio. Yas they say you okay ni abame. Ni aketo okay yo magbe. Ogo mo ya ki akpo. Ogime no we are gonna be iragmu ireimi ya make sure where I hold them to the last day. I make sure I hold them to the last day. Oge ni abami ona wakawo wu kege ni ade ogome o ki work boy. And no jebo fiye ke gboniki. And you will stand before your live video. Wa gwale homa we start apologizing to people you wrong already. Before Osalobo akedo free me no lady agwewe. Or the free NOC. Take it or leave it. Don't deceive me. I know you too well, Yuri. I know you more than you know yourself. You don't have a bad heart, but you don't have an evil heart, no. You let them manipulate you now. Who we making when I take it women down or away. Madame Yatana, area yabohi, or area where yaboy in a river. Na wa market the needed but the way video now you talk. You will live. Oh, where I wish you might make bomb another. My spirit was going to haunt all of them one by one. It's so me all haunting here. A coca coni idea. That will never know peace, no joy. No happiness. Me wogo me na mi ungo. Bet waga wogo wa mi ungo. Iya ga ogiya ga re iya mi ungo. Me wa wogo wa weji me gbe me mi ungo ko me. Bet iya ga wogo iya mi ungo. You may go to your live video later and start talking we are telling you who. Do the apologies and you will see your do your apology because you wronged many people already. Go and stand in your live video. Nothing they happen. Abioge gao I get your vocal. Ema no wa imo ime. No ma ime. Me only under the do atalo wiba. Dear then we are mudia yek bet you weni. Geletema tabe no jejuri. You will see your followers back. You will see people that is angry for you, they will come back to you. Take it or leave it. Anyway, many are not apology no we're making it's not acceptable by many people. A few are acceptable. Eminia we mewe. Eminia we mewe yuri. You are running from it. You vow to someone. Well, which I am not here for you to apologize to me. But emi bunu weu. Have the video, go and watch every video you did from March. Emi ya no wekune or video ni. Go and watch it. Umana mo enaba prokovio ladian. Go and watch every video you did concerning Osawe Megazo Wege. Start it from March. You will see it. Ni medo ya go shoemaker wego. Shoemaker o gwamadiano muhia. Ni ya go was March 22. Abi March 23. So we videos the kevani watch ederio you know. We ka we so na mekedo woni. So watch it from March, from the beginning of March to the no give no ya go I have a video ni. If you did the right thing as a leader, you know the we go yan e man no go we go yan tamawe. They don't mean well for you. That is what you are happy for. When you don't like when people tell you the truth. But the truth shall set you free, Yuri. The truth shall set you free. Ebo, amawese. Memake, Emano that is why I don't like Osawe Megazowege. That is why I don't like Osawe Megazowege. Who care about your likeness? They mean, I care about your likeness. What? Tell me why. Every God of Iyore, who can like you, watch me. If you does not like it, it's not a force. It is not a force. I am not forcing you. Who loved me has loved me already. It is not a force. Emano we me already. Cause a big I gabalo aka ni me tag ni me na tell me doctor one of Paris. E show me ka wet ye ogwamadia ni boy we so ni me na tell me ogwamadi we be there oni ni ni me gie ye me okpata magbon we me yen o ma tell me obayi wana o tell me they no kin boy I'm tell buy one or me. What's your boy? What would you near Yawi? No red doubly. I might have no red doubly or no red Jamie. Cause a gang of power yaki. Game I will say. Oh, my way, mina. Oh, money way now. Oh, way, mina, you know, oh, money can more one of them be mina. Oh, what we are going to we are at the by you in my appear. Eh, mammy ever one. Egg bogbe. Mo ekuni ni emi no ukoki no ogoma ma mu ukoki ne ogoma o ma mu ihe no ogoma o ma mu because ivo ni eni malake mata iye na te we ni ye mi ati e yare bo giasun o ige go won edo o ma yen do va bo wa o ma do va bo wa o we no tie me say me mami that is the truth. Because I am innocent of the whole allegation or accusation. I am innocent. Osi ene hime mana mio. Osi mana happy. Osi mana happy. Wa egbo wa. Ben wa re WhatsApp group wani. Mohia Uwa aga hi. Wa mo prayer line la don't tell nobody. No, okay, WhatsApp group. A WhatsApp group o ya to o WhatsApp group o ya no wa support e we God life yen like no temata no ro no temata no ro I me kuni we prayer like ama ona aga log of yameba not about the truth me ya ni talo de na not about the truth ijore ga wasu ni me be la video ko wa de wo wa me ijore awasu ni me bi la video ko wa de wo wa me edeni eso ni me kosa na ehe no adi me we o ma de he gijore jore ma ipon mo ma we we me atie ijore na aje he go we la video because of tin do to we my which is not true e ma ya ni me mo ege kederade e ma ga aso be me ni ga aso no we jime no go evi ogi ma ibiri ga no why na me we no iwa do kosa ni ona e mata Megui. You never umai mama no demi. Una yoviere ken so hoda. Esena do hunweri. So that is that day. A delete no biyan yakwa before me. A deri oni a delete no biyan yakwa. It may block so day because for me, I may tolerate nonsense vegana. He block many day wa. Cause in use so one monitoring spirit one is not my way. So continue it in another direction, not Osawe Megazo we live video. I beg, ugayen room me Facebook me or friends me fast. Unaga me sort and water ministry member where malake me Osawe Megazo we give. If you want to friends me, they get better or friends me. Anybody one. Or friends me, come a co block one budene, or friends me. Ita when owie avant, avie here. Or friends me. Ezo, me married door of you. That's me, only Mary at ye, and no me, so much about the audio aladi. Not doing or talk, we me and roton. But no. Okay, better. We no sort of water ministry. It might give a testimony then. I will bring God your testimony out. No dere we yes, iga send ya go. Ose no saloba na no saloba na zo gbe mi ati e ya ze kole so mo e forward e mi ati enu e ya vun e ba but osawese o igui ami me pa no we my time me but I am not angry. I am not angry. The reason why I am still keeping quiet ni managu we gwan yori or say ni no me no we ya la dia wo we ya we 730 euro ni magilo no na be yari e weregbe. That is why I am not still talking to you up to today. Em no say me mana do reply we e ga no re to hamu me emi ni oye keep me calm up to many na ni yari to tana emi ni oye keep me calm cause e kunyo no je kina me na gbe oveje kunu ve na kai no o ma we se me I tire said do for me no imalu egoni but I am still saying it for you leaving your house a pensi no ni ri ehua me fiwe ma no na ladian wo wa te ya we goni gume. That is the only thing I still keep this mouth shut. Anyway, I say man ye go e gwanti today. And the die man do rovi we. Iwe die man do insult we. Iwe die man ni do mu ni do mu egboto but e mata no ro do talo ma we be na. If you like apologize to that woman. If you does not like we nyano ni akin. No wahala. Me, I know the quarrel with you. I will make bezo. But I can never tire as they do. Is your two we are going to call me. Ebo, I'm a can say. Again, ne matter no rock as they do. I buy my back. I do temata my dove women. I yagon your head. Where, hell, I will remember so name. Always wisdom. No. You or what do I go with Marty Mawe where Waladian? He's a low boy. I am not also to blaming you, but I blame you a lot. I blame you a lot. When I got to when your power go, your pa me matavon, your pass over the governor, your patron the whole place upside down, your pa me not time I can do deliver. That is the truth, no little to him. A matter no. A live video when we manak ba okoto. Iye ma we ni anu ni akin. Ege me na le lu we kin we na me 4,000 something. Ege ni me no hu no ma ni muri agbon. Ohun no ma ni muri agbon lo sale mu lele me adi agbon. Ne ni ka o mu lele me adi agbon no dazi no bo. No geke mo ge bo ga so mu lele me adi agbon. You were having 4,000 plus euro. Ege no e o ki ya le lu we kin no ma de ga agba morire. Go and apologize to people. Let them free you. Go and apologize to people. Let them forgive you. Go and apologize to people. Sorry, men or where I. Ime o no who wa we me kaze do nani. Egani we agwa le koni here. For now, who apologize? Who ma apologize? Wani ya call we wala waga wasted time over. Iye mebe sotan water ministry. Ogwama di aga tane ogwama di aga na melele ramiri ne ogwoge no e mare babota no neya deti buy akekpo di onoro ogwama di o time kata mudu so no we na itabe wa koka kono di awe sawe mega so wogi o makwe wa ga itawe kwe o ogwama di water magbon time yimi we ko sawe me gazo we geti de gbe ai me bo sort of water ministry o hin item no kpo giver o wa ga no kpo e we ra me ga ebo no o we bo no rodo we me ana ya ga me bo taga no kpe ni I suppose share it anyway but rodo we rude me no we ta ni wa ga no kpe ga ebo no o yi me mu emi ni aya ga ri e bo ni ya ga wa ga no kpe let them video aga no kpe let them interview someone and ask them if it is a juju or a place of living. Rudowe ena mwemi ni riaganokbu. Rudoma be ena mwehi. Ade ni mekeria kanti ladian kedero ade. Avera me avijeme. Osaloba no bless you wa. Then why you supporting me? I did not expect it. And people are still supporting. I did not expect it. Me maigi me mabenyana. Imagi de okay venyana. Imagi quality venyana. People were blessing me all over the place. E ma salo boa de me reti to we. Me ma egi quality venyan. I am blessed by people. I am blessed having my fathers there, my mothers there, all over the place. E so beti me mama, iga homu ya wo agami. Salo boa de me. O salo boa no fin agbowa. I know what I am saying. God will continue to bless you all. May your pockets never run dry. Then why we sending me? No we send no wa no we send you wa no we send no wa coca con wa dia wa no is okpe promotion e wonu wa agaki be ni je so amana promote wa na promote ma be then why west no when why we send dey wa donate dey no we send wa wa dere ewe e come nwa o se ya be no pe mi ya be wu e come nwa ya no ho mi ya be wu Ijore, if today need 10 minutes, and this will be the last day, I don't tell me we will live video. Today will be the last day, I don't tell me we will live video. I will never say anything that has to do with you again. No, don't cause anyway. Me, and I say do no. And I don't take my way. And the live video, man, I don't time. And I don't time. Iri mani do rovie. Iri mani do nido uemi ugan. But I matter do time away. E matter e do tamawe ti ave mini ya zedu nane ti o nane ike do ladi then mona no verse wo kon temo call you we ti emi ya ni ya zedu nane be ni ya tabe de na ike do ladi ido ike gboruwe ma ho pe awon ho Ikson ido anana okade be no yasono from the beginning ikedo gun be no ya de bayan aku me hian ikedo tewe ya ni atalo but oga apology no you still hold a lot of people apology you still owe a lot of people when omagu wegon where you dey that is the issue women you don't take advice rather you insult people there rather you look down on them rather you say nothing they happen. Where do you day, Yuri? That is the problem you have. Who do you day? You don't seek advice from people. You want to do it your way. And you cannot do it your way without seeking opinion from others. You cannot do it alone without seeking advice from people that matters. You cannot do it alone. Your way is not people's way. Yes. You're good in every other thing, but you don't want people to tell you the truth. That is the issue you are having. You are good in any other thing. But many things is taking place of recent. When my dad and we live video where no even way today. Take it or leave it. You go and apologize to people that you wrong. Apologize to them. Tell them you are sorry. And they will hear you. Why are baby nege high? Oh, for what baby rame baby jeme. Abe walk be woko ya ni mo go me no maya. Wa wesi. Madi me idota because of ya me be ho vijori atawe eyin ku me be sota water me say yema kwekun na do tema tama e wotin o time ya fefefe where ekun yeti de gbe me by always sota water ministry. What are you people say? Cause we atene me I think we mo wa dan ro we wo si egbebere oni me no vi aga no pe una e mata no ro amoso atala talo e la dia magbon adere otin water ogun amadi awe abeshu me kawo all time emi ya yagwe na o ga yagwe ami mata wonu yagwe o atone me o sadan yagwe a ju si oviri gbo wara yagwe emi ya yagwo tun emi ya yagwe and o gele alele hin igbovo yagwe amaso ma no gberovo yagwe emi wo gan yagwo tun so no Madagege, I go you sakweko. I go you sakweko. Na, I tell me what's a live video. And nothing will make me make sure your name on my live video. Cause ubo here cook baby. Yes. Ubo here cook. Then I may ve hara kwa wa omeno. egeni gase no temata uwe mahia ovangwa le dagbo uwe bo hin kugbe adeni kawya ege matata ubo hin kugbe mi ni we tabakari yanga no the picture we a picture ni kawga ro megbeke ivio bo me ivayo na ije wa mana gbini gbina na me yen ku gwa exist botonedo I say that today ina who does no ke mo ge bo bia so we mana gbini gbina na me eno watalo wa kwa watalo wa e mo ge aye woru me na awegbe na ya wegbe Queen is a blessed child. Is a blessed child. Also woman. Ya aswo man he is where maybe ya put e. I say the money karata honge. E the money karata anyway. Yeah. Oko no so man na so man gege. That is the truth. Me ga gi aba ta la be ni. Egwe me gwa no da son wa. Ya wa la come na egbe ya lele. Egbe here. E de no bo here kugbe me de disrespect we. We no ga ta be video no tani. E o ya me do time we de na. That same day ni he got disrespect we mak be ma ho. He got condemn we mak be ma ho. He got when you go gan. Anywhere ni religion ya attack me wo. Udeme we ga ya ga hin. Udeme we. O se ni hu pe awon ko na pagbe na gun me kan ko ni we ni mi mata no ta be ni aya mi o e meta wo we ya abe mamu wono wa yoko wa noro no tone me o sa dan rudons okpa ma kene mu magmoria ya ni wa mi mata wo we even ya segbi ye me Beatrice wa ye be himi we sorry o wa ko is none of my business. Koso ho ni be temata ma we una be tie bog una be la jan la video I mean bokpa no mati e hu go kan ga wa temata ma we go so aro be hore when you know where e mata no e go wa mo boti e kwa. Truth can lead you to your destination. Truth can promote you. Truth can do anything for you in life. E mata no. So if you are not sununa etun otun e bi joko e oro toto. But me time wena working me do 1 cent ma kevo bo me e ya mune. But ayere be koti go me wo wa. Aye until today ayero ye me yukme ni ka we ga bayen. Iga bayen up to today venu ye setese ayero ye me yukme ni ka. Imegita wela wo. This is salt is too much. Iga kamia we ju wa sete na we ogo ni ari ni yukme ni ka obi. Akono ete ya eva o ne we aga viogi. Siso mama gbe no viogi. But ari be koti go me. Betu ye ta we the support we ma o moto we me ya no roto. But e wala ero jori e wala ero venu we ege metana nia. I respect you to that faithful day egbe me ya lele we ti that faithful day imo egberi oto no ro ya lele we ti that faithful day no boye ku gbe me no ze batu ahu me kian ha. I did a vow no more.